Hey there, it's Simon from Kommo, and today we're talking about how to crush customer response time with the power of SalesBot. Waiting around for a response is about as fun as watching paint dry. What's worse is that if you are a customer who's eager to buy or learn about the product, waiting can become a major source of frustration and even impact a brand's reputation. That's where Kommo's SalesBot comes in. By reducing customer response time, you can increase customer satisfaction and keep them coming back for more. With SalesBot, your sales team will get an alert when a client has been waiting for a reply for more than 5 minutes. Now, you might ask, what is a customer response time? Well, a customer response time refers to how long your business takes to reply to a client's message or request. Naturally, a shorter response time equals better customer service. It shows not only how competent your business is, but also how much you value and care about your clients. But why is a quick response time so important? Well, for starters, that's what the stats say. 75% of customers believe that fast response time is the most important attribute of customer experience. Responding quickly to your clients means that you care about them and value their time. Plus, it can give you a leg up on the competition and help you close more sales. How quickly you can reply to your clients depends on the communication channel that you use, of course. Whether it's a quick messenger chat or a more formal email exchange, your customers expect a certain response time from each channel. As a business, your goal is not just about meeting these expectations, but exceeding them. After all, nothing leaves a better impression than a quick and helpful response. Now, by now, you already know how crucial it is to respond to your customers promptly. However, keeping track of response times can be overwhelming, especially when you have a lot on your plate. But thanks to our ready-to-use chatbot template, Kommo will help you bypass all of that. It's built in such a way that it will alert your team once they don't respond to a lead or existing customer within 5 minutes. Best part, you can set it up in just a few simple steps and start using it today. With Kommo, you can also track stats on your response times. Your account dashboard will show in the total number of unanswered conversations, the median reply time, and the longest awaiting reply. Now, this will help you identify improvement areas and further optimize your customer support to hit that goal. All right, enough of the theory. It's time to get the ball rolling. Let's go to your Kommo account. Now, click Settings and create a new bot. Now, from the templates, select Alert a team member when a client waits more than 5 minutes. As you can see, this is a very simple and straightforward template. All you need to do now is specify a user or a whole team to get notified if the messages remain unanswered after 5 minutes. Now, just save the template. Here we go. Now, the trigger that will activate your bot is already preset to 5 minutes after the last message is received in any channel. But let's pretend that we want it to notify us only if the message comes from Instagram. If you wish, you can also adjust the time after which the bot will be triggered, and you're done. That was pretty easy. What do you think? If you want to dig deeper and build a SalesBot from scratch, check out this video to give you a head start. Alrighty, that's it for today, folks. Hopefully you've learned a thing or two. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, keep crushing it.